And you can also do some changes. Here I take one example. Okay, we have a paper just like this is a rectangular in shape, this is a flat paper, and when I crumple this paper, this shape is changed. Now this shape changed like this one ball shaped, I mean. Okay, so what do you understand, what do you observe in this example? You observe that you can understand one thing, that you can make change. That means you can change one object to other object. Okay, before crumple, the size of the paper, the shape of the paper is like this one, it is a rectangular in shape, and after crumple, the size, the shape is changed. Okay, so we can change the shape and size of any object. You can also take a paper and make a paper plane. Okay, so the paper plane is made by folding the paper. Obviously you fold the paper and then you make this paper plane. Okay, here you change the simple paper into plane, so that is a change. This is a simple paper, then after you folding the paper you make a plane, this one is a change. And one another example is here. Okay, your mother mix the flour with water and make dough, right? And this dough can roll into chapati. This dough can roll into chapati. You have taken some dough and you rolled into a chapati. You change the shape of the dough, right? You change the shape of the dough, you make the chapatis, the shape of the dough it change. So earlier it has a spherical one, now you made a into a round flat shape, you can change its shape. So that means here you realize that you can change the things, you can change the shape of the things. Okay, here you can also take a paper and make a paper plane like this one. So the paper plane is made by folding the paper. Okay, when you fold the paper, then you make this paper plane. Okay, here you change the simple paper into paper plane, so that is a change. And here you can take one another example. Okay, your mother mix the flour with water and make dough, and this dough easy to roll in chapatis, right? So you have taken some dough and you rolled into a chapati. What did you see? You see the shape of the dough is changed. Before, the shape of the dough is like this one, and after rolled, the shape of the dough is changed. The shape of the dough right now is round and flat, right? So that means you change the shape. Okay, you change the shape. And there are so many examples around us. You can change the shape of the many object. Okay, so that means here you realize that you can change the things. Now the question is, okay, we change the paper into plane and we change the dough into roti. Roti means roll the dough into, make this flat, means change the shape, make this flat one. Okay, so do this it back, can we reverse it? Can we make the plane again into paper? Can we make the roti into dough again? And so the answer is yes, we can reverse the change. Plane, you can see the plane, you can unfold the paper, you will get a paper, right? You will get a paper. When you unfold this one, you will get a paper. Okay, when you unfold this one, you will get a paper, you will get a rectangular paper, right? Again the same thing, You just press the roti. Roll it in a round ball. You get a dough again. Right? So if you press the roti, the shape is again change. So here also you change the shape back. So whatever the changes we have done here, all the changes are reverts. So these changes are known as reversible change. And here we realize two things. First is we can change the shape of an object, and the second thing we realize that the change can be reversed. Okay.